Mpcc chief and MP Vincent H. Palla, who is contesting the assembly elections from Sutnga Saipung constituency, said that people still trust and love Congress at the grassroots and the poll results will be favourable for the party. He said that initially people were scared to come out in the open and show their support to the Congress, but as the election dates are nearing, they are coming out openly. According to him, Congress is the only party that is strong all across the state and the results will be favourable to the Congress. He added that people trust and love the Congress at the grassroots. He said this is very important.
But this is nearing to the election, people are coming out now. And at the grassroots level, I think people still love the Congress, still trust the Congress. That's very important. So I'm very confident out of 60 seats we are having and we are going to contest. I think Congress is the only party where we are strong in all the districts, be it Garo Hills, be it Khasi Hills, be it